NANATHESAUCYCHEF. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? It's about to go down, you can have a seat. She can't be duplicated, don't hold your breath. Let's get to cooking with the Saucy Chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making Mexican rice. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 2 cups of chicken broth, 1 cup of long grain white rice, 2 tablespoons of canola oil, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. I have sea salt and ground black pepper. We're also going to need 1 tablespoon of the tomato bouillon with chicken flavor. If you're using cubes, it will be 1 cube. Also, I have, to flavor our oil, a few slices of onion and 1 garlic clove. We're also going to need 1 serrano pepper, 2 roma tomatoes, 3 large garlic cloves, and 1/4 of a small onion. The first thing we're going to do is make our tomato sauce. So you want to remove the cores from your roma tomatoes, and then we're going to cut them into pieces. To make our tomato sauce, we're going to need 1/4 cup of chicken broth, our 2 roma tomatoes, our 1/4 of a small onion, our 3 large garlic cloves, our onion powder, and our ground cumin. Now to my blending cup, I'm going to add in my onion and also my garlic cloves. And I'm going to add in my ground cumin, my onion powder, my chicken broth, also my tomatoes. Now we're just going to blend it. Now you can set it to the side. Next, we're going to heat up our chicken broth. You want it to be very hot. Okay guys, after you heat your chicken broth up, you should have 1 3/4 cup. We're going to add in our cube of our tomato bouillon with chicken flavor. You just want to stir it so it will melt into your chicken broth. As you can see, that's giving our chicken broth a nice orange color. Now in a 3-quart heated saucepan, we're going to add in our canola oil. We're going to let that heat up. Now we're going to add in our onion, and our clove of garlic, which I've smashed. And all you want it to do is cook for about 2 minutes so it can infuse our oil with its flavor. After 2 minutes, you want to go ahead and remove your onion and garlic. Now we're going to add in our rice. You want your heat on medium-low, and we're just going to move it around in our oil, and we're going to let our rice brown. You want to continuously stir it for about 12 minutes. Okay guys, as you can see, our rice is golden. So now we're going to add in our tomato sauce. So you want to stir that for about 15 seconds. can add in our chicken broth. I'm going to go ahead and stir that up. And I'm going to add a couple of pinches of black pepper. And you guys can add as much or as little as you want. I'm going to go ahead and mix it. And guys, you can go ahead and taste it now. I'm not adding any salt to mine, but if you need to, this is the time to do it. Okay guys, we're going to wait for it to come to a boil. Now I'm going to add in my serrano pepper. I cut the tip off. And I'm going to place a piece of aluminum foil over top of our pot. And we're going to place our lid on. And you want to lower your heat to the lowest setting. And we're going to let it continue to cook for 17 minutes. Do not remove the lid. Okay guys, after 17 minutes you want to turn off your heat. You want to move it to the back burner. You want to let it sit for 15 minutes and you do not want to remove the lid. Okay guys, our rice is now done. So all I'm going to do is go in and begin to fluff it up. Okay guys, so this is our Mexican rice. It tastes so delicious. I hope you guys give it a try. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for finding